One defendant couldn't stop interrupting the courtroom, but Judge Simpson never lost control. As emotions boil over,
the victim is present if you wish to speak to her. However, based off the facts of the case, the defendant came in through a window at her mother's house and started dragging her child with her back through the
That's a lie, sir. She, don't try to stop me here. This is, I didn't jump through any window. I walked through the window.
That's what I don't want
This is exactly.
Miss Friday. I don't want you talking about
They're posting me in
they're making the allegation.
Psychotic.
Miss Friday. No.
Yes.
No.
This is the way you guys always do it. And I'm
That's
telling you
the
right
way
now.
I always do what?
Okay.
I
did not come through a window. I came through the front door to talk to her.
Okay.
And I knocked on her door. She didn't answer.
Okay,
I walked in.
Whoa. I'm
What?
stopping it right now.
Hello, Honorable Judge Simpson.
Hello, defendant.
Can I take a seat first?
Can I call the case first?
Yes, you are.
Well, don't go anywhere. It'll be your case, but
I'm confused. I got brought right into it a little bit.
okay, just hold on, slow down. Court does call the case. People say to Michigan
Well, that's what
versus
she told me to do. Was
the
sit down.
Friday.
No,
we're good. We're good, yeah.
You're okay.
Okay, thank you.
Zachary Ward on behalf of Miss Friday.
Okay,
Did you say your name already? Say your name.
My name is Calla Friday, Your Honor.
I know. All right. Thank you.
Your
Okay,
Honor,
what are we doing?
we'd be requesting an adjournment of the exam date for further negotiations.
Yes.
And we would not be requiring the people to bring witnesses to the adjourned exam date.
Okay.
I have a case here where I'm looking at an evidentiary hearing on the 29th of
That's not criminal
2023.
court.
I know,
That's
but-
the different court.
I need to
That's the
speak. I need to speak with this. You guys set me up.
probate. That's different.
I know, but I have to talk to Peggy about this. I need a new guardian. Okay, that's the whole point, is that there is a serious problem with the fact my mother wants to put me in a bad position like this. Okay, good.
I think you guys are gonna get it. You might want to hit the button on the things.
That sounds a little crazy. I think the whole matter of the point is that I get probation for this charge, and I'm thinking that there's a lot of talk out there that I can't handle that. I can. I believe that there's a lot of people out there that support me, like Peggy Lewis, Jamie Lewis. I'm looking to talk to them into getting a place to stay with them so I can take care of my kids and focus on getting my mental health back on track.
And Judge, that's the purpose of the adjournment. We're working on trying to line up mental health as well as housing and potentially resolve these at this stage in the district.
So we hoping to find a way to resolve it down below.
Yes, potentially a specialty court. I haven't discussed that yet with Miss Friday, but housing could be an issue with that. But
it could be, I haven't got a hold of Peggy this month yet, but I know for a fact that she is supportive of my 10-year relationship with Jamie Lewis, my ex-boyfriend and my baby's father. They are personally going through some court issues with my mother, dealing with custody issues and stuff, and I wanted them to get out there and get back on the road with what I had originally planned. When Miss Emily Anu changed the court case hearing, and she did not want to have me go home on the 14th, which I was very ready for. And Kim came in and ruined that for me. As a guardian, she does not look over me.
All right. So Miss Friday, listen to me for a moment.
I'm listening, sir.
Sounds to me like everybody's on the same page, kind of.
The whole thing is I don't think they're on the same page. That's the major problem. Like you say,
Don't let the judge talk. He let you speak. He's telling you that he thinks everyone's on the same page. Just listen to what he has to say.
I have a hard time putting together, the fact that Kimberly's not
Yep.
here.
Why? No. You got to turn around and face me.
Kimberly's not here. You don't have to talk to me like I'm stupid either.
Who? Who does?
I think there's
Who's
a,
talking to you like you're stupid?
he's talking to me a little slow. I know you said I didn't want to argue with you on this. I wanted to say, make my point clear is that I am a good mother and I want to be out there for my kids. I know they love and they miss me and I need them, and to support me too. My son is 8 years old. He's in school. He needs the care from me that I had provided for him before I gotten in here. Just hear me out. Hey, please so much. Like, I thank you for this because I have not a lot of time to talk to anybody with the voice of reason. I know you helped me out with a lot since I known him. I've only known him for a couple days. There's a lot of people out there that want me to do well, right? So I need to get back on my medication. The stuff I'm in here in the jail is not working for me. It's making me feel a little crazy. And I know that Lifeways in Jackson could, if I got the case handled, it would be a lot easier for me to get into Lifeways and then get with Peggy about staying there because I haven't talked to her in person about it yet. I lost her number and my contacts in my phone were not available for me to get out of there.
Okay. You all set? You right here for me.
Oh, I'm waiting for you.
Oh, okay.
I'm waiting
All
for you
right.
to make.
So listen, Miss Friday, I just heard everything that you said, and I also heard what Mr. Ward has said. What it sounds to me, and why he's asking for the adjournment, is to try to find a way to get some of these things in place for you so that what you want can happen. Now, that doesn't mean that it will, but he's trying to get that in place.
Exactly. That's exactly what I want to do is work with that.
Okay, so
Okay, good. Thank you.
in terms of, so here's what you have to do, Miss Friday, and I'm just going to tell you this. You have to work through that process with Mr. Ward, all right? Don't try to leap ahead like this is going to happen tomorrow. You got to give him time to kind of get all the pieces in place so that what you want in the end regarding your kids and other things, housing, your rental stability in terms of your treatment and other things, all that can get in place.
Mhm.
Okay?
And
So,
I do have a lot of, I have a hearing on the 29th where I'm able to talk to, Peggy about this and
29th, where's your hearing?
it's supposed to be, on camera, like on Zoom meeting.
Yeah,
There's a
but
video conference.
who's it before? What court?
Probate court, Your Honor.
Probate? Okay.
And I have, another hearing on the evidentiary hearing on the 29th at 1:30.
What time? I'm sorry.
1:30, sir.
29th?
Mhm.
Okay, so
I
let
want,
me ask you this. I'm gonna let you make a decision, okay?
yes, sir.
So do you want me to adjourn this out before or after that hearing?
After.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's the perfect answer.
Exactly.
Okay, it
Good.
is.
I love it.
All right. So, Mr. Ward, how much time do you think we would need to try to at least get the process started? We may not finish it, but we can at least start.
When is your next exam date, Your Honor?
I have, in October, this may work out, all right? I have the 17th and I have the 31st.
If we could do the 17th and we'll see where we're at on the 17th.
I think,
By the
so,
first-
hold on. I got this.
Excited.
I think maybe, why don't we shoot for the 31st? Because that'll be after the hearing that she has in probate. We'll probably have a lot more information at that point in time that might be relevant to where we're headed.
And-
Unless somebody has a great objection to that.
No, Your Honor, there's initial conversations that need to be had with the people, and if they're not seeing it the same way, then It doesn't make sense to, I'm fine with the 31st. If we have something in place, it'll be moved up.
Okay,
And
here's where I'm going to agree with Ms. Friday. We're setting it to 31st.
Okay.
Okay, because I think she wants it after the probate hearing. So she may not have the whole picture at that point, but a clearer picture.
The 29th is this week, Your Honor, just so the board is aware.
Oh, the 29th of September.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I thought you were talking October.
No,
okay, no, September sounds good. I'm just kidding.
that's why I said the 17th, Your Honor.
Okay, so we're talking, got it. That's why you said the 17th. So we're all on the same page.
Yes.
All right. Madam Prosecutor, is the 17th going to work for you?
Yes, Your Honor.
You didn't have to parrot what she said. No, she could have answered that on her own.
At this point, the hearing starts shifting from simply delaying the preliminary exam to something much bigger. The defense is now asking the court to consider a bond reduction while trying to build a realistic plan involving mental health treatment, housing, and future stability. In criminal proceedings, judges often look for concrete evidence that support systems are actually being put in place before changing bond conditions, especially when serious charges are still pending. Notice how Judge Simpson stays patient, but keeps the conversation focused on procedure instead of emotion. That's a critical part of courtroom management. Do you think the judge is giving Miss Friday a fair opportunity to get her life back on track, or should the court be taking a much tougher approach given everything that's already happened? Let us know what your opinion is.
Your Honor, as I told Ms. Friday, I'd ask the court to consider what she told you as a bond reduction request. She's currently held on a $100,000 bond. And obviously I don't have anything lined up, but I will be working on that. I just told Ms. Friday I would make the request. There is a request, I believe, from the complainant guardian of Ms. Friday. In count one, she is present. She is requesting consensual contact with Ms. Friday. And she's present if the court needs to hear from her.
That's Kim. You talking about?
All right, so I will adjourn the preliminary examination now that I know
Okay,
that the hearing is happening September 29th to October 17th, 2023, 9 a.m. in person. That's before me.
Also, I'd like to say that, darn it.
Go ahead.
I kind of forgot what I was gonna say.
Okay, that happens to me too. So,
Of the whole probation thing, I'd like to get out on probation. That is one matter I wanted to take care of. So like with the,
Miss Friday, the case is not at that point yet that can happen.
I know we have to wait till the 31st for that.
Well, no. So I'm going to put it on the 17th, but
I don't want to spend as much time in jail. That's what I'm saying. I've been here for 6 months. I was here to the 14th. I was supposed to be let go that date, but Emily, I knew, kind of broke in there and said, Kim has an argument that I think is absolutely ridiculous and outrageous. Like these paperwork here. Let me see this.
This is
I want to hear, this is my case. So like when I came down to it, I was with Mom. This is what I said. That my mother is not a very sensible person, and some outrageous motions were made were ridiculous.
Okay.
And I think the dispute with her and has invited me over to discuss my bills, in which this is about the home invasion, right?
Right.
Yeah, but hold it, Miss Friday. I don't want you saying anything about the case.
Well, I do. I think.
No.
serious. They invited me
Miss
over.
Friday. I don't want you saying anything about the case right now, because this is not the time for you to say that
This
without
sounds
the
ridiculous
advice of counsel.
This
Okay.
is my Kim. I think Kim sounds ridiculous. You guys are trying to take her side. When I say this, I got into a dispute with her. I invited me over to discuss bills. Okay, the bills was
Okay,
the whole
but
point.
I don't want you talking about it. Okay, and here's the reason. There are certain proceedings that you should say something about the case, and there are certain situations that you shouldn't. Right now is not the time for you to say anything about it. It's too early in it. You shouldn't be talking about it.
So like,
Okay.
when it
I
comes down
don't,
with
Miss
my
Friday,
mom,
I don't want you to say anything that's gonna hurt your efforts in this case. And
That's
what you're
exactly what
going
I'm
down,
saying.
hold on,
Don't-
the road you're headed down right now could potentially do that. So I'm not gonna hear it. I'm not gonna let you
This
hurt
is good
yourself that way.
stuff to say.
I know
I
it sounds good, but not right now.
talk about it with
Miss
Peggy.
Friday, not,
I'm not kidding
right.
you. This is ridiculous. I'm saying that, all right, how about this? She won't let me stay with her because she has COVID. Like, I'm gonna argue that with her, I guess. I'll argue that with her that day. then.
Yeah, argue that with her.
Yeah.
No, that day in
Oh.
front of you, sir. I'm not,
But yeah, we can talk about that.
okay,
all
good,
right.
because I'm,
So,
COVID, she said she had COVID. This whole case is about the home invasion, right? She said she had COVID and she didn't.
okay, but I don't want you talking about the case right now.
That's
It's
what
not it's not the time. Not the time. I'll hear you when it comes to time, but I'm not gonna hear it now. I told you that. Okay?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
No, it's okay. I get it. You're just jumping ahead. Regarding the contact, do the people have a position on it?
Yes, Your Honor, the people would object to changing the no contact order. The victim is present if you wish to speak to her. However, based off the facts of the case, the defendant came in through a window at her mother's house and started dragging her child with her back through the
That's a
window.
lie, sir. Don't try to stop me here. This is,
No,
I didn't jump through any window. I walked through
No,
the
okay,
door.
that's what I don't want
This
you
is
to
exactly,
do, Miss
exactly.
Friday. I don't want you talking about the
They're
facts of the case.
posting me in
They're making
psychosis.
the
I'm not
allegation.
psychotic.
Miss Friday, no,
Yes,
no.
this is the way you guys always do it. And I'm
That's
telling you
the
right
way
now,
I always do what?
okay?
We,
I did not come through a window. I came through the front door to talk to her.
okay, okay,
And
that's good.
I knocked
that's
on her
gonna be-
door. She didn't
Okay,
answer. I
here-
walked in.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm
What?
stopping it right now.
You guys are trying to treat me like a child. I am not
Who?
a child.
Who's
The
trying to
people
treat
here.
you like a child?
Here.
Oh, no, Miss Friday, turn, look at me, Right? That's how we're gonna work when you're in here with me.
Okay.
No, turn and look at me. You can look at your attorney. Do not turn around.
I think I've been set up. I'm framed.
Okay, that's fine. But what I'm saying right now is this is how we're gonna conduct ourselves when you're in my courtroom. All right, I'll be fair to you. I listen to you. I'll do all of that, but you gotta act right for me. Deal? Miss Friday,
I'm not guilty.
and you are presumed to be not guilty at this moment. I understand.
Good. Because I did not jump through a window. That was an absolutely outrageous
So
remark.
here's what I'm gonna do. I am not at this time gonna make any changes to any of the bond or anything. I want things to get into place for you. And then what I will do is I will then, I'll hear it again on the 17th.
You said that the 29th or the 31st at first, sir.
Yeah, but that was October 31st. I'm putting it sooner for you.
Okay.
Okay, on the 17th of
All
October.
right.
All right?
And I need to be able to make more phone calls. I'm thinking, like, if they could charge my phone inside the jailhouse, that I could get to my contact.
Hold on. I can't order that. I'm not gonna order the jail to charge your phone because then every inmate in there has to have their phone charged. I'm not doing that.
And Your Honor, as far as contact, the victim does want contact, and I just wanted to make that,
The people object, but the victim wants contact.
and she is present, yes, and she does want it.
Is that you? Is that correct, ma'am?
It is correct.
And your name?
Kimberly Friday.
And
Thank you.
she's the guardian as well, Your Honor.
All right. So here's what I'll change that particular provision. What I'll do is I'll indicate no non-consensual
Non-consensual.
contact. Okay?
I can't call my non-consensual contact. Mom did not say she wanted contact with me when I was in here. In the jailhouse, she did not let me have contact with her. The people said that it would be a mistake if I called her. But when I first got here, I called her and she said she would drop the charges and she wouldn't.
Okay, that's the kind of thing you need to talk to Mr. Ward about, okay? Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna change the contact provision so that the two of you can have contact as long as she's consenting to have contact with you.
So don't-
No, gotta face me.
So she said non-consensual, so,
No non-consensual contact, meaning the provision is on you.
okay, so we can talk about this.
You
then.
can, as long as she's in agreement to talk to you,
Good.
you can talk, okay?
Okay, great. That's great.
Okay, fantastic. Glad we're in agreement. We'll see you on the 17th. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, get out. No. He's gonna-